In this video, we will learn 5 most used Excel shortcuts. So let's start. Shortcut key Ctrl plus C to copy the selected cell. Here I first select the full data, press the Ctrl plus A. So I press here Ctrl plus A. Then I press the Ctrl C to copy this data. Then add here sheet. Then press the Ctrl V to paste data. But this data is not properly fit in column. So therefore I am using here one more shortcut key, Alt H O I. Is a sequence of key that resize the column to fit the content. This shortcut is automatically adjusted the width of selected column so that their contents are fully visible. So here I am using it, Alt H O I. Alt H O I. That's it. So here properly fit in all data. But one more shortcut way I show you how properly fit data we can copy paste one time. So I again go back the original data. I select the full data, Ctrl plus A, then copy this data, Ctrl plus C, then add one more sheet here. Then I press the Ctrl Alt V. Then here you see in space special dialog box have a one option column widths. Just select it and click on OK. Then press the Ctrl V. So that's it. Here you see the all data is properly fit as per the original data. Okay. So that's it. Thank you. Next shortcut key Alt plus F1 to create a default chart using the column chart based on the selected data. The chart is inserted directly into the current worksheet. So let's see. So here I select the full data, Ctrl plus A. Then I press the shortcut key Alt F1 to create the chart. So here you see the column chart is ready. Now you can change their layout also. Here you see the chart design tab is added here. So here the quick layout, there are different layout show here. Select it those you want and your chart is ready. So there are so many other options and styles available of charts. So you can change as per your requirements. So that's it. Thank you. Next shortcut key Ctrl plus E. It activates the flash fill feature. The flash fill automatically fills in values based on the patterns recognized in the adjacent columns. This can be useful for the tasks like formatting dates, combining text, or extracting the parts of text. So let's see how it's used. So here I enter the first name. Okay, then I enter the second name. I just okay, then I select the cell with the below cell also and press the Ctrl C, then press the Ctrl E. So here you see the flash fill is fill all data as you enter the first. Suppose if you want in first column, I just delete this first. I want here bracket on this name, okay, on first name only, okay. Then I select the full cell, then press the Ctrl C, then Ctrl E. So here you see the same result show in below cell also. Again, if you want the uppercase letter, suppose I enter here the uppercase letter, okay. Okay, then I select the full cell, press the Ctrl C, Ctrl E. That's it. Here you see the uppercase result also show here by using the Ctrl E shortcut key. So that's it. Next shortcut key, Ctrl plus Shift plus L. The filters on or off for the selected range. These shortcuts applies or removes the filter feature in your worksheet, which allows to sort and filter data in columns. So let's see how it's used. I select here full row. Press the Ctrl plus space. Sorry, press the Shift plus space. Then I'm using here the filter on that row. Press the Ctrl Shift L. The filter is applied. If you want to remove it, again press the same key, Ctrl Shift L. So that's it. Excel shortcut key Ctrl plus H to opens the find and replace dialog box. This allows you to search for specific text or values and replace with new ones. So let's see the Ctrl plus H. So here you see the replace tab is open. So I want to replace the Naval 322 with a different name. So I want just here 322. Okay, and click on the replace all done. We made 6 replacement. Click on OK, and here you see 322 is replaced. If you want to check, click on the find tab and enter only 322. Click on the find next. Click on the find all. Here you see 322 in 8 row number, then 323 row number also 322. Okay, and below also have a some 322 number in product name. So this is a way you can replace any word in your data by using the shortcut key Ctrl plus H. That's it. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.